Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is designed to help you extend your tiers in Uniteverse. We all know that Uniteverse extension, it's something that requires a special coin called Hold Holy Chain, that is HHC. And if you are not holding Holy Chain, that means you can easily go to the market and purchase Hold Holy Chain and come and do your extension. First of all, let's start by getting to know what exactly the tiers we want to extend and how much is required. Let's start from there. First of all, you can see that we have 32 Holy Chain in our wallet. We have 32 Holy Chain in the wallet. Okay, now let's go to the tiers and know the much we needed, whether it's HH1 or HH2. Okay, it's remaining 7 days. We'll click on extend so that the price will come. We'll scroll up. Okay, what we require is Hold Holy Chain 1. So we're going to buy hold. That is if we are not holding. But if you are holding, you simply go and extract Hold Holy Chain 1 and then do your extension. So now what do? We'll go back, close it from this tiny X button, then go back, go to the wallets, go to the menu and go to the wallets. Then at this point we check Hold Holy Chain. If we are actually holding, you can see we are not holding anyone. If we are holding anyone, it would have shown here. So we don't want to waste our time. We'll go back. We now head on to Holy Chain to buy. Hold Holy Chain. In actual sense, how many did we even need? I think we need, okay, enter. Let's go and check. We need how many? Okay, we need 1.3, so we can extract maybe 1.5. Okay, go to Holy Desk. We'll head on to the Holy Desk, click Holy Desk to open. We log out, then connect to be sure we are connecting this particular wallet. Whenever you come to Holy Desk, what you do first, log out, go and log out, because you might be operating a different wallet of unknowingly. Okay, and it will be, the execution will not be executed and you will be having challenges and problems. You will be saying, this thing is giving me tough time, I cannot do it. So when you are here now, we are in the market. Remember, what we need is 1.5 Hold Holy Chain 1. Okay, now look at the market we are. This is not the market we'll simply click on this button to go to Hold Holy Chain 1 / Holy Chain. We are using Holy Chain to buy, whether it's HHC1 or HHC2 or HHC3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will not use DAI. You can only use DAI to buy. You can only use DAI to buy Holy Chain. You can only use DAI to buy Holy Chain. But for you to buy Hold Holy Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you must use. You can see the market. This is the market for Hold Holy Chain 1. So we'll click on it. It takes us here. We'll say buy. Good. Now once you come to this market, always use limit order. Always use limit order instead of market order. Now once you are here, remember we are buying Hold Holy Chain 1. You can see the price of Hold Holy Chain 1 Holy Chain 0.01. That's what it is. Now quantity we want to buy, how many in total of in total of Holy Chain. How many Holy Chain do we want? Since we said let us buy 1.5. Let's see how many it will give us. You can see that it's going to give us 1.3, 1.38. We'll click on buy. It's important you know this test because you will be able to do your extension at convenience at all time. If you don't, you will always be calling on someone to help you. So we are buying 1.5 worth of holy chain, which will give us 1.4 something of hold holy chain 1. So once it comes to this point, you can see the execution rotating, meaning that the process is going on. You have to be patient. We are expecting three notification for this three notifications for this execution that we had for this transaction. So you have to be patient. Most times it takes some while to come. It takes some while to come. You have to be patient and wait for it. And once it's done, it will send the notification down here. Good. Now it's remaining the last one. You can wait or you can go ahead because the execution have already been done. Okay. So, okay, let's go on. Okay, that's the last one. Once you have gotten the three notifications, you close them one after the other. Then you close this page. We are done with the Holy Desk. Go to menu, close this, go to menu, click on Uniteverse system. We are looking for a way to go back to the Uniteverse. Now, once you have clicked on Uniteverse system, go to menu again, click on home. Click on home. It will bring us to this home. Then you can be able to click on Uniteverse. Just take these steps gradually. You will come to understand that it's very simple. And after the first time, you will be able to unmaster it. You will be able to have mastered it and be doing it on your own. Now let's go to the enter tiers. We are now going to extend peacefully. We have already obtained, or let me show you. If you want to know where is this 1.4 something hold holy chain 1 that we bought, go to menu, go to wallets, go to hold. Okay, it's even here. Once you come to the wallet of the Uniteverse, you will be able to see the details. Okay. Okay. Yes, hold holy chain 1, you can see it. 1.48 hold holy chain 1. So what next? We move on. Let's go back. We'll close this wallet from here. Then we'll go to the tier that we want to extend. Move on to the tier that we want to extend. We want to extend tier 1. You can see tier 1. We want to click on extend time. And when you click on extend time, take the screen up, take the screen up, take the screen up. Good. You can now see, initially the time we came here, this red statement was also here. But now it's no longer here because we now have a balance of 1.48. Can you see that? So we can peacefully, instead of selecting this one, we can peacefully select this one. Okay, and go ahead and click on extend time. It's going to charge us 1.3. Confirm payment 1.31. It's going to charge us 1.31. Confirm payment. Boom. It's done already. It's done. Close this. You can see that the time has been extended from 7 days to 37 days. So it's as simple as that. Moving on to how you can mine the NTC, the net charge, and equally use it to energize your battery, that is to recharge your battery. We are going to demonstrate it here and now. Meanwhile, the net charge is something you always come here every 24 hours to claim. Once you click on it, in as much as you have a tier in the Uniteverse tiers, you can always claim once the system keys you into the wave. So this one now is remaining 4 hours 30 minutes, and once that is done, it will be claimed. Okay, you always close it at this button. Now let's see how we can always use it to energize our battery. Enter tiers, click on enter tiers, and once you enter the tiers, once you have entered the tiers, you always go to this processing, click on it. If you are the type that has multiple tiers, like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, or even tier 4 and 5, you always have multiple batteries. You always have multiple batteries. And let me inform you, the batteries in their has different strengths of energy. So the quantity of the ore you are going to get at the end of the day. Each battery has a duration. Once the battery's duration expires, it will ask you to claim the ore it has mined, it has purified, the machine has purified. Okay, so before we claim that, let's go and see the battery that we can energize. Let's look at this one. This one is remaining 13 days. Click on upgrade. Once you have clicked on upgrade, you begin to load the battery. You click on plus sign to load the battery. Continue clicking on until what you have here is exhausted. Okay, or the battery is filled. Good. How many ore is it going to give us? It's going to give us 1.47 ore. That is not encouraging, so we can look for another battery and try. Let's see the last one. The last one may even give us something better. Okay, this one is giving us two. No. Okay, let's see second to the last one, upgrade. Click on 0.43. Oh no, you check the one that gives you higher number. After all, what you wanted is the number of what is attracting you is the ore itself. Okay, finally, can we take this one? Since the other one has more days, more number of days to, so we'll click on fill. Confirm payment. Then you'll be patient for it to process. It's going to take some little while, but just be patient and watch it. Just be patient, watch it. After processing, it will disappear and bring up this and show you the machine. You can see it all processing machine. Okay. It's necessary you do these things yourself, because this is something, a business that we're going to be doing for a very long time. At all time, you can be able to process, you can be able to access the holy decks, obtain the hold holy chain 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, you can say it is now completed. We have 1.4 or once this date is ended, we'll be asked to claim it, just like this one now. So let's claim this one so that you also know how to claim. If you're feeding your battery, maybe if you have 2, you go and feed. If you have 4, you go and feed. Fine and good. But whenever you see like this, know that you are supposed to claim. Click on claim. It's as simple as that. It brought out the number of ore you got as a reward. You click claim. Confirm payment. So these are things that those who are not even in our project doesn't know. This is a high-tech project. That is why I tell you, be patient and learn every steps. It might be rigorous, it might be difficult right now, but over time you would have become an expert, because it's going to be part of you. It's going to give you money. The oil itself will be very expensive. It will be sold in our market. People will buy it at a very high price. Then you would have known the value of what we are doing here. You also be patient and watch it. Sorry. Okay, it has claimed. You see, you can no longer see it here. Okay, now let's go back to our dashboard. When you have claimed, where do you find it? Come back here. This is initially I was having 42 quantum ore. Right now is 62. You can see this is where it adds up. So friends, please endeavor to give us one like, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be getting notified whenever we bring this kind of videos. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye.